And so those laws go back hundreds of years, and like I was mentioning the Fifth Amendment in my questions, uh, which I read and Joe was looking at. And so even a little guy, and I was looking at the history, and they had said, there was like a little shop, and the Supreme Court took it. So in theory, he's on solid ground as far as like some sort of case, of federal law and constitutional law. Yes, no, or
Clearly, he's got a case. I'm not sure that there's a federal law that applies, although there may be. It's the state of California, which has interfered with his ability to run his business, and his claim, at least as I understand it, could be brought in state court against Caltrans for interfering with Joe's business and failing to compensate him for the costs of that interference.
yeah. And of course, you haven't looked at it, and I'm not implying that you've reviewed the case at all or any of that. But you're running for Oakland mayor, and that's a toughie anyway. What is your take? Why is Oakland a good place for business? Why is Oakland not a good place for business?
Well,
Small
Oakland,
business.
Oakland is a great place overall. It has about 400,000 people who live here and who have all kinds of needs that can be satisfied by businesses. And of course, it has businesses here that need to purchase goods and services from other businesses. So it's a good place to be. The weather's great. It is in a very crucial and critical location here on the west coast of the United States, being uh, adjacent to the Pacific Ocean, having all of the facilities that a port city could possibly have: a seaport, an airport, highways, rail transportation links, trucking companies, and so on. So there's a lot of possibility for Oakland in terms of expanding its business. Then a business like Joe's, which is essentially a business that serves other people, should have plenty of customers here. And my understanding is that he has had plenty of customers over the years, but that the actions of Caltrans in making his facility much harder to reach by customers and potential customers has really put a crimp into his business.